In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate issues in Jira by linking them correctly, consolidating the details, and closing the extra tickets without losing important information. If your team has ever had multiple people report the same bug or create overlapping user stories, you already know how quickly that can clutter a board and throw off sprint tracking. Jira doesn't literally merge two issues into one single record, but it does give you a clean native workflow to connect duplicates, preserve the right issue as the main one, and close the rest in a way that keeps your project organized. To begin, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira Cloud site through your organization's Jira address or your normal Atlassian login page. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the project you're working in and locate the primary ticket you want to keep. This is the issue that will remain active, so choose the one with the best summary, most complete context, or the ticket your team is already using as the source of truth. After that, open the primary ticket and look beneath the issue summary for the action controls. Find the link issue option and click it. This opens Jira's built-in linking tool, which lets you create a relationship between the main issue and the duplicate. In the link type dropdown, change the relationship from the default option to duplicates or is duplicated by depending on the direction you want to show. Then, in the issue search field next to it, type the key for the duplicate ticket and select link. This creates a clear connection between the two issues so everyone on the team can see they refer to the same piece of work. If you need to handle many duplicates at once, use the faster bulk change route. Go to Filters, open Advanced Issue Search, and use your search to isolate the duplicate issues. From the Options menu, choose Bulk Change All Issues. Select the tickets you want to update, choose Transition Issues, and move them to a final state like Done or Closed with a resolution of Duplicate. This is especially useful when duplicate reports pile up during testing or support intake. Before closing anything, open each duplicate ticket and copy over any useful details that are missing from the main issue. That might include screenshots, log information, comments, or unique steps to reproduce the problem. Paste that information into the primary issue's description or comments, so the final ticket contains the full story. Finally, return to the main ticket and scroll to the linked issues section to confirm the duplicate relationship appears correctly. Then open the duplicate issue one last time, set its status to done or closed, and choose duplicate as the resolution. Once that's done, your board is cleaner. Your team has one clear source of truth, and your reporting will be much more reliable.